Delhi reported 125 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, which is the highest single-day rise in the last 6 months. Delhi Disaster Management Authority (DDMA) has banned gatherings for Christmas and New Year celebrations this year amid Omicron and COVID-19 scare. All district magistrates, district DCPs ensure that no cultural event gatherings take place for celebrating Christmas and New Year in NCT of Delhi. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority order reads: Punjab government has notified the government employees that their salaries won't be processed if they don't upload their COVID-19 vaccine certificates on the government's IHRMS website. Whether fully vaccinated or having taken a single dose, but it is mandatory for all the employees to upload the certificates, the government said. This comes amid rising concerns over Omicron variant of COVID-19. As per reports, the Income Tax Department is conducting searches on leading Chinese mobile companies across the country. Mobile companies Oppo, Xiaomi and OnePlus are being covered in the searches, according to ANI. Over 24 premises are being raided in the searches. The searches were reportedly conducted based on the intelligence inputs of huge tax evasion by these Chinese firms. India today successfully conducted maiden launch of indigenously developed new generation surface-to-surface missile Pralay. The missile has a range of 150 to 500 kilometers and can be launched from a mobile launcher. The new missile reached the designated target with high degree accuracy, validating the control, guidance and mission algorithms, an official press release said. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates said that Omicron variant of COVID-19 is spreading faster than any virus in the history. He added, "We could be entering the worst part of the pandemic." He also further said, "Even if it's only half as severe as Delta, it will be the worst surge we have seen so far because it's so infectious," Bill Gates said. Madagascar Minister Serge Jelly was one of the 2 survivors to have swum about 12 hours to shore after their helicopter crashed off the island's northeast coast, authorities said. The 57-year-old used one of the chopper's seats as a flotation device. "My time to die hasn't come yet," he said, adding that he is cold but not injured. Bollywood actor Purab Kohli, who will be seen in Keanu Reeves' film The Matrix Resurrections, took to Instagram and said that he is happy to be part of the film. "Never imagined this would have been possible when I was first blown away by the film in 1999. He further wrote on his Instagram post. The Matrix Resurrections is releasing today in cinemas and theaters.